Hi dear viewers, thank you for watching Aiden and Mom. As you can see, Aiden, he is a bit inactive because he's sick. He's not feeling well actually. So today we will discuss what to take with you on holidays, what are the best and the most efficient medicine when your baby has a common cold or a flu. So it's important to have some small stock of medicine when you are traveling with the little one. That's what we will discuss today, and we will review the best and the most efficient remedies to fight these problems. So now Aiden is going with me to a coffee shop. We're gonna drink some coffee. We're gonna energize a little bit after the tough night to make sure your night is not really tough. And even if your baby is not feeling well, you rest on holidays. Of course, it's important to prepare the right medicine, to take the right things with you, to make sure that your holiday is not ruined by a common cold or flu. But of course, we need to know the reason of fever. It's not like to kill the fever. We need to know what is the reason of fever. Is it a small cold, flu, your baby got something in the swimming pool, the baby got cold during the flight, there is a weather climate change, or there is something more serious that needs to be treated with antibiotics. Of course, if the fever is running more than 4 or 5 days, you definitely need to see a doctor and take care of the baby and probably start antibiotics. It's a pity when your little one is sick, and especially when it's such a lovely place and you want your baby to be energetic and fun and happy, but it happens. The most important to cope with the situation calmly, efficiently, and of course, if you cannot handle the situation yourself, you need to seek the help of the doctor. Most of the hotels, they have in-house doctor that you have to consult with, show your baby and decide what's the best medicine to give. The doctor will do a proper checkup, identify what is the reason of this or that sickness, and of course will prescribe the necessary things. If you don't have an in-house doctor in your hotel, of course you need to Google for the nearest hospital or a clinic and show your baby who is unwell. Again, if the fever continues more than 4 or 5 days, you must do that. If the baby has fever just 1 or 2 days, you can try to fight with the fever yourself. We want to tell to all new moms and moms with babies, when you have any emergency on holidays, don't panic. First, try to give the baby the medicine, which you can get over the counter. Of course, prepare your travel pouch in advance before you travel. All important medicine we will talk about, what you should take when you're traveling, you should take with you. This super emergency pouch should be always with you. Once you come to the hotel, better to keep it in the fridge. So in case there is any emergency, there is any sting of the insect, strong mosquito bites which leaves a mark, or it's a flu, cold, rash, you have all necessary for the first aid. This is the most important to have for your and your baby's safety. So now we are in Turkey, in Tekirova area. It's a lovely summer day. Look at this wonderful nature, these huge and tall trees. Yeah, it's a lovely kids concept hotel, and there are lots of amenities for children and babies. Now we are entering the coffee shop. Coffee here is very good, and we enjoy coming here every day. So let me show you why. Here Aiden already sitting in the coffee shop, waiting for coffee for his mom. Yes, Aiden? Thank you. Спасибо. Спасибо. This lovely cappuccino, very tasty, and a cookie for my little boy. Here we are in this life. Mama, he's saying mama. Aiden is to say, licking his fingers, and to say mama, mama. Yes. This is so probably good, but every mom wants to hear mama. No, Aiden, Aiden, cookie, cookie. Yeah. So, the first thing to know if your baby is sick, to minimize the communication with other kids. Don't mix your sick child with other children unless you know what is his exact issue. So that's my first advice to you guys. Stop bringing the baby to daycare, nursery, school, if your baby has a fever. First of all, it's very unethical to see the sick kids in the nurseries, mixing with other kids for a shelf food. This is number one. Number two, try to stay with the baby when he is somewhere and maximize skin contact. Yeah, we can say he's very cranky, in tension, so we are going back to the room. We are going back to our hotel room because we can see your baby is not feeling well, so of course it's better to get back to the room and fix the problem. Try to minimize, as I said, communication with other kids, all interaction with babies, and try to separate your child, keep him in the room, keep him with his toys, read for him, make sure skin contact is very important. If you are breastfeeding, try to breastfeed your baby more this tough for him time when his fever is high, and of course try to spend as much time with him as you can. The most important question to decide what medicine to take with you on holidays when you travel with a small baby. I always take this pouch, neither too big, not too huge, just enough to fit the essentials. So what are the essentials and what to take with you when you travel with your baby? Of course, number one thing to have in all circumstances is thermometer. And we should not forget disposable cups. Next important thing to fight with fever and pain, this is Nurofen for babies. Nurofen fights efficiently with fever and with any types of pain. Next medicine, together with Nurofen, it's of course well-known Adol. These Adol drops are designed for babies and infants, and they can be used according to baby age and weight. They are recommended for babies below 1, and they are very efficient when it comes to fight with fever and pain. For older kids over 12 months old, these Adol suppositariums also can be used. Also, what I take with me on holidays, it's such cooling head straps, plasters that can help to fight with headache and fever. Of course, it's important to have anti-allergy antihistamine, such drop like Finistil. They can be used for infants and toddlers. Next important medicine to have with you, it's antibacterial, antifungal cream. In case baby has any rashes, any fungi, or any skin problems, Fusidin can be efficiently used. Next important must to have, this is nose spray, nose saline solution that can be safely used for babies, infants, newborn, toddlers. Or if you don't have nasal spray, you can even use pure seawater, which has literally the same effect. I also take with me always after bites lotion or cream to fight with insect bites. It's a small and easy to put cream. And of course, a must with me at all time for small babies and infants, this is vitamin D, which I give to Aiden every day, 1 ml. It's a must for babies of his age. So vitamin D, it's his vitamin for now. So these are 10 important medicine. These are the most important medicine when it comes to traveling, which you should have with you, and it's essential in case you are going to a ski resort, you are going to a summer holiday camp, you're going to a hotel, you're going to the beach. You don't want to be stuck with a sick baby in a hotel room. So all the best, stay healthy, and this was Aiden and Mom. Stay with us. Thank you for watching.